Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Yeah, this is a gist coming out of the Ultimate Love part. 3 reasons why Rosie and Kachi might not end up together after the show. As the new TV reality show is coming to an end, love guests have started talking about how to match the real world and take their love affair to the next level. All the housemates are doing perfectly well with their partners, but from all indications, Kachi might not end up with Rosie. Rosie and Kachi are partners at the new reality TV show called UltimateLove. Both were paired together to search for their ultimate love with the couple named Roksie. Kachi so far has been an honest man, amazing creature, and every lady's dream. The love and affection he has showered on Rosie is beyond what man can measure, but everything started decreasing when he discovered some certain things about Rosie. Kachi might not end up with Rosie because of the following reason. 1. Rosie already have 2 kids outside wedlock. In Igbo land, it is always difficult for parents to support their son to get married to a lady who already has 2 kids for other men. This is because of the way such ladies are perceived. They are always perceived as ladies who are not responsible. So Kachi and Rosie might face such challenge when they are out of the love part. 2. Rosie is older than Kachi. This is another factor that might thwart what Kachi and Rosie shared together. It's very difficult in Africa for a man to marry a lady who is older than them. I can't tell much about the reasons behind that, but African men love being in control of their relationship all the time. If Kachi should reason on the fact that Rosie is older than him, it might cause issues that would make them not end up together. Lastly, Kachi's affection started dropping the day he discovered that Rosie has done family planning already, despite being a single lady. That statement only drives that Rosie might have given birth to another child if she didn't take such decision. One would say she lacks self-control or any negative thing. So guys, what do you think about this reason stated above about why Rosie and Kachi might not end up together? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.